Hi guys! Don't you just love recipes where it takes you about 5 to 10 minutes to prep, then you put the dish in the oven and just wait until it's baked? I absolutely love recipes like that because they're low effort, but they still taste really good, and they're also healthy because you bake it in the oven instead of frying or deep frying. So today I'm gonna share with you a delicious recipe for turkey breast with a spice rub, and it's oven baked. I hope you will enjoy it. First we want to mix all the spices, so I'm gonna start with the salt. I have a tablespoon of my rosemary salt here. If you don't have rosemary salt, you can use regular salt and a little dried rosemary. And if you want the recipe, I will link that for you now for my rosemary salt. Then I also have a tablespoon of dry oregano, about a teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon dry garlic, 2 teaspoons of dry onion, both powder, then about 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of sweet paprika, and also 2 tablespoons of tandoori. So then you just want to give it a mix. And now we are going to add olive oil, just so that we have a nice paste. So I'm adding a little bit first. And adding some more. So we don't want to add too much, just enough to make a smooth paste. So once you have this kind of consistency, it's all coming together, it's like a paste, then that's enough olive oil and you can start spreading this over your turkey. So I have my turkey breast here and I'm just gonna add all of the spices on top, and then you just want to rub the spices from both sides. So I'm just starting with this side and then I'm gonna move to the other side and make sure I also cover the other side. And then once you've covered the back side, turn it around again, and I have some bits here, so I'm just gonna add those on top and just spread over the top. Then once you have your turkey breast beautifully covered with the spice rub, you want to cover it with aluminium foil. And bake it in the oven as instructed in the recipe. Once your turkey is ready and it's out of the oven, you want to give it about 10 to 15 minutes to rest before you serve it. And then I just want to show you how it looks. It's soft, it's beautifully cooked through. Ideally, I would give it a little bit more time, so maybe give it even half an hour before you start shredding it. You can also cover it again with the foil so that it absorbs the heat. It's getting a little late and dark, so I wanted to show you how it looks before it gets dark. That's why I did this already now, but you can still see it's super soft, it's so juicy, and you can pull it apart and you can serve it with some salad, on some sandwich, or as a side to some potato, rice, or vegetables. So as you see, it's a really easy to make recipe. It doesn't even require any chopping or anything like that, so you just mix the spices and rub the turkey breast and pop it in the oven. So really quick and easy to make, and it's great for salad. So you can then, once it's baked, allow it to cool and then you can shred it, and you can use it for salads, you can use it on sandwiches, you can then use it kind of as a leftover in your pasta or with rice, with potatoes as a side. So there's endless options how you can use it, and I think it's also really great for meal prep because of that. If you enjoyed this recipe, then you know what to do. Don't forget that thumbs up for support, and also if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now, and if you tap the bell, you won't miss any of my new videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.